Watch this. Watch the trick. You want to see the trick?
Yeah. That's magic.
Wow. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Arrow this way. Arrow this way. It's like, why do you put arrows? It's like you're sitting inside the car and saying, this is my cup holder. This is your cup holder. You're pointing fingers, right? Okay, what we want to show today is this. We have a cup holder right here. Boom, one cup holder. Nicodemus, did you see this? Second cup holder.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's a cool thing. I like it that they made two cup holders. Basically, I mean, this is, you have a cup holder in the middle, as you guys remember. Yeah, so you have two cup holders, and that's pretty cool. So Nicodemus, today we're gonna remove this cup holder out of this place. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, why don't you start working? Oh man, you just damaged my camera. You just damaged the camera. Did you guys feel that impact?
Yeah, that was probably an earthquake.
From his head?
My head's big. I need my 11 back.
Okay, yeah, you got a lot of bolts to unscrew.
No.
Come on. He's only 10. What can you do?
I'm a big boy.
I mean, imagine, Nicodemus, imagine putting all this back in place.
Imagine how they built it. How much work.
Okay, I seen something kind of move. Do we have any bolts on the side?
I don't know.
No?
Yes.
Yes?
No.
No? What about in the glove box? Okay, so we have to somehow remove the glove box to get access to the cup holder.
Something on top.
Okay, we got more screws right here. Why don't you just unscrew them too?
Okay. Okay, if I...
Okay.
This?
Okay. Everything, every bolt. I mean, everything needs to be gone. Okay. This is, so you have to help him. You're gonna hold. I'm gonna hold the impact, and you're gonna press the button. Go ahead.
I never asked for help.
No.
So.
I thought you asked for help. Okay, why don't you remove this bracket right here?
I'm a big boy.
Right there. There's two bolts.
For us to take this whole car apart, it's gonna take us like 1 year.
1 year? Come on, dude.
Actually less. A couple months.
Okay, now.
We do it every
day. See? Now this moves. Something else is holding.
It's holding over there. I don't know what.
You don't know what? I know what.
Oh.
There you go.
It's not for that.
It's not for that?
I think this whole thing connects.
Okay. So basically, we have to do some uncomfortable work.
Wait.
We found something.
It's not possible.
What do you mean not possible? Everything is possible. So, yeah, okay.
There it is.
So guys, what we're gonna have to do, Nicodemus, we have to see how we can pull the glove box before we get to that.
That's what's connecting to it.
Okay. Guys, look at the sun. Oh, you don't see it. Yeah, it's smoke everywhere in California right now.
The park is burning.
So something is burning. Hold it. Let me get inside here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to remove some of the panels. Yeah, we're not sparing those panels. See?
What is this?
We might, but I guess we don't need it. Now, where is my flashlight?
Should I go down?
Okay, we'll have a screw.
Let me show the people.
We can show. Do you know the way out? Don't ever quit. Okay?
Why would I quit at this point?
I don't know. A lot of people, when they face trials, they're quitting. Oh, look at this! We got some CD, and we got some registration and new tax for year 20.
How about we sell it?
Okay, we don't want to show the name. Okay, sell it? You can't sell it.
You can blur the name out.
Insurance, napkins. This is for you if you're gonna cry.
Why would I cry?
I don't know.
Huh.
Kids cry.
Well, I'm not a kid anymore.
Oh, you're not a kid anymore?
I'm a preteen already.
You're what?
Preteen. I said I'm a big boy.
Preteen?
I'm a big boy.
Wow, he's a preteen.
You know you can blur the name out.
Okay, let me see. So we have three ball screws right here inside of the glove box. Somebody's calling. Okay, we're working right now, so
No phones allowed. Number one.
this is gonna take a while.
Should I do it?
Of course you should do this.
Okay.
Do the hard work, okay?
Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. You're making me do the hard work.
Yep.
And you do the easy work?
Of course. Right, this is how this is how it's done, and this is why I hired you.
Oh.
And I think this is gonna take a while. So we're gonna pause, okay? So we have 3 bolts.
Yeah.
And we're gonna pause right now until Nicodim, till tomorrow he unscrew them. And we'll come back to you guys in a couple days.
You're making me struggle.
Okay, hold this. I think I got it.
You got it?
I think I got this. How to pull this cup holder assembly. Maybe. Haha. There you go, guys.
That's so complicated. That's so easy.
There we go. So we need to add 2 more. Oh, 1 more trim like this.
Pa, guess the most important thing of the car?
Cup holders.
No, the key.
The key?
Yeah.
I think it's the person who's driving the car.
No, I'm not counting the person. The
Whoa,
key.
you don't count people?
I don't count people. Look at
You don't
this.
count person?
Key. This is the guy that was speeding. I'm crashing the camera.
This little trim doesn't want to hold on to it.
Paul, the car's going too fast. It crashed. Did
So,
you break it?
I think it was already broken. But anyway, I mean, if you guys have a little trim like this, you guys can use it. But
I think everybody has it.
cup holders working nice. So this is, I like it.
I think your favorite part is the cup holders.
I think so too. It's very compact. That's what I like about it. They made it
Wait,
right in the dashboard.
Did you see this? Yep.
Can I do it?
Look.
Yeah.
That's the cool thing.
It's like when you're bored in the car, you just like drive and like bam, 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 just playing with this.
Or you can hang something up on there.
Watch this. Watch the trick. You want to see the trick?
Yeah. That's magic.
Wow. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Arrow this way. Arrow this way. It's like, I don't. Why do you put arrows? It's like you're sitting inside the car and saying, this is my cup holder. This is your cup holder. You're pointing fingers, right?
Why point fingers?
I don't know.
But it's so weird. This person is sitting over there.
Yeah, he's sitting like this, right?
And that person, the driver, can't see it.
He's like, this is my cup holder. I see the arrow, right?
Yeah, I get it.
You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they have to go like this. They have to go, that's my cup holder. I mean.
Yeah. So this is cool. I like it. Nice. But I think do you have to close this, or it closes by itself?
I think it closes.
How do you open this?
Oh, you know what that is?
I
think people put it in some.
Yeah, I think it's missing a spring. See, like this one has a spring.
Can you hold on to the key?
To the key?
To the special key. No.
Yeah, it's something.
You should make a stop motion movie with it.
Sure.
I might post it on.
Okay.
They actually do.
Okay, we're done with this.
Pictures.
So now we have to move on. We got a lot of work to do. Well, guys, this is how you take the cup holder. So you got two pins like this. You press them down, and you pull the the cup holder out of above the glove box, and that's how it's done.
Any last words?
Any last words?
I'm asking you.
We shall continue. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and this is
ring the bell.
Oh, ring the bell.
Yeah.
Jingle bell, jingle bell. No, ring the bell. Okay,
yeah.
So ring the bell so you won't miss any episodes. Yeah, Nicodemus is teaching me how to say it.
You teach me how to take apart a car. I teach you
how to talk.
No, how to speak. Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Once again, Nicodemus, hold on. You gotta say something.
What? I thought you said it.
Do you love me?
Yes, I do.
Okay, good.
Is that the word?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye. I love you too.